When adding a record to Pure, you can save time by importing work you've already added on arXiv.org. This brief guide will teach you how. First, go into Pure and click on the Add Content button as normal. Then click Research Output, and instead of creating from a template, select Import from Online Source. This will bring up a list of places you might be able to import from. Select arXiv.org from the list. Put the details of the article you want to import into the search box. I'm going to paste in the title, but if you want to import multiple papers, you can put your name in instead. Check that what's come up is the correct article. If it has a red bar like this one, that means that there's already an article with that name in Pure, and you should check to see if you can just use or edit that record instead. If you do want to import the record, click Import. Select the original language of your article from the drop-down menu at the top. Pure will have tried to match the authors to people at the university. It can sometimes get these wrong, so please check these carefully and use the drop-down menu next to them to select No Match if they are incorrect. At the bottom of the page, there is a checkbox asking if you want to import the full text file as well. You can click the Show Document button to check which file will be uploaded. You should only attach the file if it is the author's accepted manuscript. That's the version with all the changes from peer review, but without publisher added formatting. This version looks like it has publisher added formatting, but I know that this is because it was made using a publisher template, which makes it fine for us to use. Because we check all records with a file attached, we ask that you not import the files for any records more than 5 years old. Once you're ready, click Import and Review. As you can see, Pure has added much of the information for you. Make sure you set it to show that the research has been peer-reviewed. Pure will import the last date from arXiv as the published date. You should replace this with the date of acceptance. You will need to add in the title of the journal. You should edit the file uploaded so that it shows as the accepted author manuscript. Once you're finished, just click Save and you're done. If you attached a file, then the record will be sent to be checked by the Open Access team before it appears on Explore Bristol Research. If not, then it should appear immediately. Thank you for watching. If you have further questions, please email us at lib-research-support@bristol.ac.uk.